solve the log base 2 of x plus 7 plus log base 2 of x equals 3. Well, we need to solve this by simplifying the left-hand side first and really condensing the separate log base 2 expressions into just one. And to do that, we need properties of logarithms. The property that's relevant here is that for any log base a of x plus the log base a of y is equal to log base a of the product xy. That's the property of logs that says the log of a product is the sum of the logs. We can use that here. Our expression log base 2 of x plus 7 plus log base 2 of x can be rewritten as log base 2 of x plus 7 times x, because the sum of the logs is the log of the products, to say my previous statement backwards. Well, that's equal to 3. And now, by definition, the log base 2 of x plus 7 times x equaling 3 means that we can raise 2 to both sides. And 2 to the log base 2 of x plus 7 times x will equal 2 to the third power. Now, 2 to the log base 2, by definition, just gives us the value inside the logarithm, so that's just going to give us x times x plus 7. And on the right-hand side, that equals 8. 2 to the third is equal to 8. So x squared plus 7x must equal 8. If we subtract 8 from both sides, we get this expression. We have a quadratic that's equal to 0. If we do x plus 8 and x minus 1, we will factor the left-hand side. Notice we need factors of negative 8 that add to 7, and those factors are positive 8 and negative 1. Now in finish, we have a zero product, and by the fact that the zero product principle, or sometimes what's referred to as the zero factor rule, we can see that either x equals negative 8 or x equals positive 1 are the two values that make this quadratic equal 0. We have to be careful with logarithms because there are domain restrictions that sometimes require that we eliminate one of the candidate solutions from consideration, and that indeed is the case this time. If we go back up to our original, we see we have a log base 2 of x, and that won't be defined for values of x that are less than 0. In particular, that means that x cannot equal negative 8 in the original expression. However, x equal 1 is fine, and so we have one solution. X equals 1 solves the given equation.